Hi everybody, my name is Peter and welcome to our channel. Today I'd like to tell you some good sides and bad sides about new GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition. Also, I do have a previous version. I'm really happy, I really like that one. When they come out a week ago, less than a week ago, I'm sorry, with a newer one, I have to buy it. First of all, the newer one's supposed to be stabilization, it's much better. Also, the sound quality, it's supposed to be much better. And believe it or not, I mean, I really like it. The newer one, stabilization, it's awesome. Maybe in some way it's not the perfect, but for action camera with digital stabilization, it's probably as best as you can get. The sound quality also improved compared to previous version. Few things which I'd like to point it, which I don't like about the newer version. First thing, when I pull it out from the box, the newer one, the Hero 7 Black, I recognize it. The sides, the rubberized surface, and also aluminum doors doesn't have a same nice texture as the previous model. Without texture, it feels kind of a little bit cheap. Also, it's more slicky surface, I should call. And when you hold it, it feels like it will slip away from your fingers much easier or so. Then also when I power it, let me hold it like that, two cameras, you will see, of course, they did change the interface. And I don't have nothing against that. New product, why I should keep it old interface, of course, right? But the biggest problem what I got, the guy or the person who designed that interface, it have to be some kind of genius. I mean, the screen on those action cameras is 2-inch. It's not that big, right? When they shifting from one interface to another interface, they also changing font size. Let me. Oh, I'm sorry. I pushed it the wrong way. When you look at closer, the actual numbers is the same size, but the letters, name of options, it's twice smaller. And in my opinion, how genius you have to be to even use it as smaller fonts than on the previous version. I mean, especially the screen it doesn't get any bigger. Why need fonts to have to be twice smaller? Pretty much with this guy, with the older version, I can read all options without my reading glasses. On the newer one, the numbers I can still see pretty good, but the letters of names, those options, I mean, I need reading glasses. In my opinion, that's not really convenient, and a lot of people probably will complain about that too. Then also I'd like to show you another kind of funny part. Let's see. Let me grab it first. Hero 6 previous version. And if you guys own it already, Hero 5 Black, Hero 6 Black, you know those cameras do have two options to switch it modes. I mean, just basically by typing. I mean, tapping touch screen and select it, or you can push it power button, and you can scroll through. It sounds like it's plenty enough, right? Now let me get back. Yeah, on a newer version, they decided, well, two way to change those modes is not enough, which still have same way as before. You just tap it, touch screen and select it. Also the button mode, I mean the power button, you can select it just to cycle it through, or which it's kind of, I think is that mode it should be never been there. You just touch the screen and slide it, and will change it. In the first day or two, I got couple accident when I selected video recording, and somehow by accident or so, before I push it record button, I probably touched the screen, and and I did change it a mode. And I think, crap, why we need a third mode, third way, not mode, I'm sorry guys, third way to change mode. If it's ready to, it's pretty convenient. Why we need the third one? Well, like I said, in my opinion, that third option probably should be not there. But like I said, it's matter probably of opinion. On a previous version, when you press the record button, pretty much you will see a time, you will see a battery status, how much you got, and you see some quick options what it was there. If you touch the screen once, all those data will go away, and you have a nice clear picture. On the newer one, I'm sorry, if you press the record button, there's only time counting the recording time. That's it. No battery level, no what resolution you shouldn't. That resolution shouldn't you know already before you click it probably. But all those options will be nice, especially the battery level. Pretty much when you're recording, you're not really sure how much battery left. What, you have to flip it, look at on the front, what's the battery status, and then go back? That's not really smart idea. Well, then, one more thing I'd like to show you. The new software is quite buggy. It has some bugs, and I hope on update they will change that. Basically, right now I'm at 1080 at 60 frames. If I want to change it, I go 4K 60 frames. And now it's saying stabilization not supported. If I click it, go back, and then touch it one more time, hyper stabilization is supported. Pretty much, it's something wrong. I assume it's something wrong with firmware or so. Maybe, maybe that bug is gonna go away on with next update. Well, otherwise, yeah. Otherwise, like I said, the camera is pretty good. I really like it. Even I like it previous version on some way a little bit better, because I already get used to that interface, and like I said, the texture feels a little bit more premium than newer version. Newer versions feels a little bit cheaper, at least for my taste. But like I said, it's a matter of opinion. Well, guys, I hope this video was useful. And I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you do, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will really appreciate it.